Hey, Gloria McDonald here again, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a GivBux Gold Card. This is a it's a prepaid debit card that you can use at virtually any gas station. I love this card. I use it everywhere. Super easy to get. It's a physical card. Right now, it can't be you can't add more money to the card. Once you purchase the card, you use the card until it's run out, and then you have to get a new physical card mailed to you. It takes about 7 days to get the card in the mail. So all you do is you tap on the burger menu here in the top right corner, those three bars. You tap on that. Then it's in an unusual place. You actually go down here to history and you tap on history. And then you can see, once this pops up here, you have purchases, black card, and gas card history. You tap on this gas card history, okay? And then it's going to, if you've never done anything before, it'll just have a line up there saying no history. You tap on that. In my case, you can see I purchased a card for $345 before. So it says enter each transaction to see the status of the card. It doesn't make any sense, but this is how you do it. So I'm going to tap right up here on that line. And then you see the gold GiveBux pop up. You can see it's going to be a plastic card that's actually mailed to you, but it works amazingly well. I love it so much. And then you can tap on that to see participating merchants. I have not found any gas station, and we drove from Phoenix, Arizona up to Toronto, Canada. You can't use it in Canada, but from Phoenix, Arizona up to Detroit, Michigan, we could use it at every gas station imaginable. We stopped at some gas stations that weren't chains I'd ever heard of, and it worked beautifully. So you can see it's super simple. You enter your first name, last name, your email address, your country, so basically your mailing address, and then you're going to purchase your gas card from your GiveBux account. So if I wanted you can see my available total there is $97.34. If I wanted a card, I could do that. And then you just would tap on that purple purchase button, and it is so easy, and you actually get the physical card in the mail. You can use it at any gas station. You do have to go into the gas station to use it as a prepaid debit card, but you're getting cash back. And if you're already using the app, the gas station's app to get more cash back, it's just a way of double, triple dipping. You can use it with Upside, so you can enter your GiveBux card into Upside and get even more cash back. It's an amazing card. I love it, and I highly recommend it to everyone. Thanks so much.